Friends, in this video I am going to show some instruments that are developed from my ideas. This is the posterior capsular protector on my left hand. On my right hand is an iris spatula. Curvature of the iris spatula conforms to the curvature of the anterior surface of the lens, whereas posterior capsular protector has a curvature that conforms to the curvature of the posterior surface of the cataractous lens. And now this is the iris spatula on the right side and the posterior capsular protector on the left side. And this is the lens tip knife. This is 1.6 millimeter. This I gave this idea so that at one go I can make a side port through which 23G Simcoe can go into the anterior chamber. I usually like to do capsulorhexis by Utrata forceps. I use Utrata forceps from Einor. And now see the chopper that I use. I got the idea of this chopper from a Simcoe hook, and it is just a little stouter and a little larger than a Simcoe hook. From the bend it is only 0.6 millimeter and it is almost at a right angle. Now see how easily you can chop with this chopper. I do everything: horizontal chop, vertical chop, even chopping the very hard cataracts with this simple chopper. It's a totally blunt chopper. It's not round, it's flat on either sides. At the end it is just blunt end. Now see the posterior capsular protector, which I use for the last piece occasionally. Not always, but this is very safe. It is placed just over the posterior capsule and the handpiece removes everything, the last piece, epinucleus, even some cortical matter when the posterior capsular protector is there. Now let us see this case. Another case with grade 3 nuclear sclerosis. This is the customized lens tip I use, 1.6 millimeter, so that the Simcoe can go into the anterior chamber. And now after capsulorhexis, I prefer to do rhexis with Utrata. Sometimes I do with 26 case bent needle cystatum. After hydrodissection and hydrodelineation, see the chopper again. I'll see very clearly now because the cortical matter has been removed. Yes, this is the chopper. And now see how easily you can chop this lens mass with this. Go, hold the nucleus and chop it. Go, hold the nucleus and chop. Rotate and chop the other heminucleus. And now emulsify the fragments using ultrasonic energy. Phaco power used in these two cases where 60%, flow rate is 45 ml per minute, and vacuum is 450 millimeter of mercury. This is Oatley Cataracts 3 phaco machine. And now see the last piece. Divide it, place on piece below and emulsify the piece which is above. And now before emulsifying this last bit of nucleus, introduce the posterior capsular protector. And now the last piece is emulsified as the posterior capsular protector is placed just over the posterior capsule and epinuclear sheet, and as the nucleus has been removed, the epinucleus is removed and the posterior capsular protector goes behind the epinuclear sheet and protects the posterior capsule. You can even remove some cortical matter as the PCP protects the posterior capsule. That's it. In this video I wanted to show the lance tip knife that I used, the chopper, and this instrument, posterior capsular protector. Thank you very much for your attention.